No, we're not ready. You gotta draw a card. Okay, we gotta turn them all over first. You gotta turn them all over. Say, this is Daddy-Daughter Combat Candyland. Can you say it? Say, Combat Candyland.
Okay, I go popsicle.
Let me see. You gotta turn it over so I can see. Okay, go all the way to the popsicle. Where's
this corn down?
Okay, that's fine. We're getting ready to come out and eat supper here in a second.
What?
Yeah, we'll come out and eat. You ready? You hungry, Gracie?
Yes.
You ready to eat?
No, I want to play Candyland.
Okay, let me play one game of Candyland, then we'll be out to eat. You know? All right, my turn. Whoa, look, you're all the way at the popsicle. See, the gift game's almost over. Okay, I got a star. So.
Right there, Daddy.
Skinnamarink-a-dinky-dink, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. Oh, put your head here. He says put your head right there. He wants you to put your head right there.
No.
Put your head right there. He gave you a big kiss on your head. He's got to go there. All right, your turn. Draw one of the cards.
I go blue.
Blue. Where's the blue from near? Where's the closest blue?
Blue.
Yeah, no, blue's right there. Yeah, nice try there. I got yeller.
I go right there.
No, yellow is right here. Okay, your turn.
I go red.
How many? Two reds, right. How many is two reds? One?
1 and 2.
Very good. Come back, Candyland. Dun, dun, dun. I got one green. Why do I always lose at this game? Oh, that's right, because I play against the best, don't I? And who's the best?
Daddy!
No, Gracie's the best at it.